To find best Mounjaro coupon code, you simply have to search the same thing on your Google search browser and then click on the first website that you will see in front of you. This is a single care. The name of the website is Single Care. You can consider it as the genuine and the best website to provide promo or discount code for Mounjaro or for any of the company. Second link is the second website is, let me just scroll down and click on the second website, that is joinfound.com. In this website, whenever you will scroll down again, unlike other website, you will see the same thing here. You will see a list of promo codes. From then you can copy the promo code you feel that is comfortable for you, and after that you can simply paste it on the payment page of Mounjaro. Now it is very easy to find, as you can see that we can only find the promo codes with Google Chrome or from these type of third-party website. This is all about the video how you can do it. Let me just show you another third and the last website to find this. I will scroll down, and yes, you can see on the bottom of the screen, you can see there is a lot of coupons here. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.